The first $100,000 is the hardest. Investment might appear like a low-priority effort, and it's frequently put to the side by many people. You'll find yourself wondering how you'll be able to retire before you realize it. To reach the first 100,000, you'll have to put in a lot of effort. To put it another way, you'll start seeking strategies to increase the speed with which you expand your portfolio, since the benefits are enormous. As your money grows, you will have more possibilities, which will become increasingly apparent. Perhaps a once-in-a-lifetime chance exists in real estate. You must improve your salary to save more money regularly. Avoid huge automobile payments that are just superfluous, since these are major reasons why individuals never achieve $1 million, much alone 100,000. Furthermore, you'll feel at ease taking risks in the process of investing through several market cycles, and you could even learn how to fully benefit from them.